Local police guys were eating from there, so it should be a good one. So that's what I think. When local people are eating from a restaurant, so it symbolizes it's a good restaurant. Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Belgrade, and I'm back in Belgrade again. I didn't go to Kosovo border. Had a guy seen in last video that sent back from Kosovo border, and I checked into a bus, and I got luckily direct bus to Belgrade, and before reaching Belgrade 80 kilometers before, like a bus broke down literally, so it was not restarting at all. Then finally the drivers, everyone, they stopped another bus, and he called the bus driver called another bus because that was full. So eventually we got into the bus and reached Belgrade yesterday night at 9 o'clock. So I'm here again. So from Belgrade I'll be going to Bosnia. That's what my plan is. So everything is changed. I'm not going to Kosovo, I'm going to Bosnia, from there to Montenegro, Albania, and so guys. So I'm just going out to get some breakfasting. I just came to my previous hostel only, Park and Soul. It's very good, very nice. So the vibe is very good over there. So I came back to the same hostels. So one night I'll be staying here, and today I'll be leaving to Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia. Straight, it's at 8:30 in the morning. So I'm going to one of the supermarket, guys. Guys, you can see hope you have seen this supermarket which I shown now. So you can this is Maxi supermarket. You can, maybe when you're coming to Serbia, you can search in just searching Google nearby Maxi, so you can find literally everywhere. And for breakfast, lunch and all, you can buy stuff from here. It's very cheap. Even the breads, it's around 13 dinar over here, the cheapest bread, and it's around, I think in Indian rates it's around 8 dinars, 8 rupees in Indian rates. So that's why it is much cheaper. Like when you can do the daily things in a much cheaper way, and you can buy eggs or something like that, and you can cook by yourself in your hostels if you're staying in a hostel. Or couchsurfing, if you have access to the kitchen, you can do that as well. So that's how I travel, guys. I never go to any restaurant. I buy from supermarkets stuffs and eat. Just now I bought 2 croissants, which is around 28 rupees. Guys, finally I took the ticket to Bosnia, Sarajevo from Belgrade. So I'm going to the market also. So guys, I am in Belgrade market right now. So you can see that the fruits, vegetables, everything, you can see it's very cheap and it's very affordable for the budget tripper. So if you ever want to cook something, you just come over here. You can buy the spices also, and it's awesome over here, guys. how was the market? You have seen the market, guys. So I bought apple for 2 kilo apple just for 50 dinars. You know how much it is in Indian price? It's just 35 rupees, guys. Wow, so cheap, guy. Almost all everything was cheap over there. It was good. Like I liked it. It was good. I liked it market. Before I was not knowing. Now I know this market, so I'm going there regularly, guys. Visa to get into Bosnia Herzegovina, but don't be shocked. So Indian doesn't need any visa to get into Bosnia and Herzegovina because I have my US visa. Those who Indians have US visa or Schengen visa, they don't need any other visa. They don't need Bosnian visa to enter into the country. So that's why I booked my ticket. I entered into Bosnia. I'm roaming now in Bosnia. So I am now in Azerbaijan, guys. So I will tell you how I came to Azerbaijan in my coming video. So don't worry. So do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to 100 countries, guys, not just 1 or 2 countries. And this is my 22nd country, Azerbaijan, and I'm going to 100 more. I'm going to 68. I'm going to 78 countries more. So totally I'm going to 100 countries. Yeah, I will tell you how to travel for 100 countries in a budget. So do subscribe, like. Not only my new video, it's my new country, 19th country. Yes, I'm in Bosnia Herzegovina, Sarajevo, the capital city. I'm just landed 4 o'clock in the morning, and I took a hostel over here, good place hostel, so it's very good. 4 o'clock I landed. I took a bus at 10:30 in the night. Body was work. It was good, not much hassle like it. They took 10 minutes for me to just to enter my US visa and everything. If you have US visa, you don't need any visa for Bosnia, guys. So just book your hostel for 1 or 2 days and you can enter Bosnia without much hassle. So that's it. They will ask only how much. They asked me how many days you are going to stay. I just said 2 days, and they were okay with that. So that's how I am in now Bosnia. So the capital city, the view is something like this. You can see it's a walking street, lazy morning. And when I arrived here at 4 o'clock, it was 1 degree, and my fingers were literally freezing. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that you will, and also bell icon, guys. Ring the bell icon so that you'll get notification. And video is going to super interesting. You can see the. So guys, as I was just walking through this walking street, you can see that this is a walking street there, and I just came out of the walking street because there were who are running behind me and asking for money and those stuffs. So just because I was holding the camera, and I literally have to keep my camera inside my bag to make a low profile of myself. And just I won't be vlogging in that street anyhow, like, because there are a lot of people, like there was just one after other they were coming and asking me the money. So anyhow, so this is a Turkish area, like Turkish, lot of Turkish people over here, and you can find literally everything, Turkish food, everything from Turkish. Like this walking street joins to the old town of Turkish, and there's a main square and there's a mosque also. So I didn't go to the other side, so there is a lot of banks, the ATMs, everything if you want to withdraw some money, but I could not find a supermarket. Like if you like a soup, it was not spicy, so I added a pepper into it. Lot of pepper. You have pepper powder here, so it becomes very tasty, like it becomes spicy, and it's awesome. I made fragments of bread and just dipped into it. I'm just eating it. It's going to be fill my tummy. It's good. I liked it. lot. Beautiful. So tasty, guys, now. हमारा गुलाब जामुन है ना वैसे टेस्ट थोड़ा वैसे ऐसे लग रहा है मुझे तो
Две сарницы и одну паприку.
Okay, guys, so this is the restaurant which I went inside right now. So it was full everything. So when I finished my food, like it was really empty. Even the local police guys were eating from there. So it should be a good one. So that's what I think. When local people are eating from a restaurant, so it symbolizes it's a good restaurant. So it was full, and it is included in TripAdvisor also. Like I'll just leave the location in the description and the name and the Instagram ID of them. So you guys, if you're coming to Sarajevo, Bosnia, so you guys can visit this spot to have some traditional Bosnian food. It only cost me 6 km. That is, I think it's around less than 200 Indian rupees. So it is good, guys. So if you want, you guys can come and enjoy the food.